Welcome. In this short demo, you'll see how an AI-powered onboarding assistant can help financial institutions streamline customer due diligence with automation, transparency, and audit-ready insights. The assistant engages applicants through a secure chat-based interface, while internal teams gain real-time intelligence through structured data views and relationship graphs. The screen is divided into 3 panels. The left panel shows the chat interface used by the applicant. The center panel is an admin view for the bank employee. It displays structured data extracted from the user's responses and background check results on those entities. The right panel visualizes relationships between individuals and organizations. As the user begins, the assistant extracts names and identifiers from natural language responses and automatically runs background checks. The middle panel surfaces risk indicators drawn from sanctions databases and criminal records. In this case, the applicant is linked to an entity flagged for potential criminal associations. When the applicant is asked for information about his organization, the system reveals that this entity may be controlled by other suspect organizations, further elevating the risk profile. The right-hand panel brings these relationships to life through a dynamic knowledge graph. It visually maps connections across people, organizations, and countries, allowing investigators to follow breadcrumb trails often left behind by complex shell companies and hidden ownership structures. The assistant continues collecting information conversationally, handling yes/no questions, follow-ups, and branching logic. For example, when the applicant is asked whether other individuals are involved, the system interprets the text as a positive response and prompts for information on additional company owners or officers. Each named individual or organization is checked in real time. In the admin interface, red indicates matches tied to criminal behavior. Yellow flags entities under active sanctions. Green means there were no adverse findings. These visual cues help prioritize review. The assistant also captures structured data behind the scenes. Here, free-form input is passed into JSON, a standard format for processing structured inputs and outputs in AI systems, including those powered by large language models. This is especially useful when the applicant provides lists such as multiple UBOs or company officers. No rigid forms required. At the end of the process, all responses are summarized in 3 views. A summary report highlighting any issues uncovered and the responses that triggered them. A plain text view of all answers. And a machine-readable JSON export. This makes it easy to validate inputs, preserve audit trails, and integrate with downstream compliance workflows. All inputs are securely captured and reviewed. This is just one example of how AI can reduce onboarding friction, while giving financial institutions the tools they need to comply with regulatory obligations and spot hidden risks earlier. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website or contact us.